Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been so long since I've made monthly favorites, but yeah, here we are after 6 long months of 2024. I'm trying to do monthly favorites for half of the year. If you're interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. We move in categories where first I'll be starting from makeup. Let's see our first makeup product, which is L'Oreal Paris Full Wear Concealer. Guys, this, I promise by this, and right now I'm wearing this concealer, and after started using this concealer I stopped wearing foundation because mostly I don't wear makeup, and when I do, I just try to cover dark spots, and yes, I have my skin issues like acne prone skin, so I try to cover. So this comes in handy where this covers, and also you can see it's high coverage. You can't even see the spots. I mean, this I purposefully left because it's active pimple. I didn't want to touch that, but apart from that, I have dark spots here, but you can't see that. So this is what this does, and entire face I just correct which is not correct, and this gives me like proper makeup look. I've not applied foundation, I've not applied compact. I just want this and set it up with the banana powder, so you can see like this looks like proper makeup, and I promise by this product. But only thing is they only have 3 shades. I'm in the shade 312. I'll just leave all the products links or the names in the description box down below, so you can check that out. I love this product. I used to use many concealers, like I tried multiple concealers, but this, why didn't I try this before? I love this. Yeah. So our next product is this one. This is Strobe Cream by Dot & Key. So the thing is, like, to give that makeup inside glow, you use strobe creams, and I promise by MAC Strobe Cream, which is not drugstore kind of brand. I used that and I loved it. But when I tried this for the first time, I think even this works well. But if you're buying, high-end makeup, then MAC Strobe Cream is the best one. But if you are starting, if you are beginner, if you are trying to learn makeup, and if you want to buy something which is drugstore kind of, this comes in handy. This is so good, I'm telling you. Right now I'm wearing the same. See, I did makeup using these products only so that you can see on camera how it looks. So that's why, yeah, this one. This is good. Dot & Key Strawberry Dew in the Spotlight Strobe Cream, and which exactly smells like strawberry milkshake. If you have seen my previous videos like Get Ready With Me or any makeup challenges, I've used this and I've raved about its fragrance multiple times. It's exactly smells like strawberry milkshake and it makes me hungry. So yeah, this is our second product. So our next product is this blush. This blush is from Gush Beauty, and I love this blush because of this squishy thing. The name of this blush is only Squishy Blush. Currently this blush is on my face. You can see, you can build up however you want to. If you need dark, you can just build up however you want to. This is so good, and it comes a long way. And I use other blushes too. I love those too, but this is cream blush. When you're using cream blush, you should be cautious while obviously you apply after foundation. Cream blushes make or break your foundation, so you have to choose it wisely and apply it wisely. So this is the blush which I love. I mean, you might have seen this blush only in my recent videos. So yes, this is the blush. And then our next product is obviously this lipstick, and I'm not the big fan of the packaging because it's all broken. It's leaky sometimes. You can see it's leaky, but the thing is, this one, I am wearing this as a base and this on top. See, this is the lip shade which gives, this is how it looks on your skin. And this is like, you know, it doesn't look like makeup, and it is kind of nude, pink nude. So I was like straight 3 to 4 months I was using this lipstick only to office, and now I think it's all mostly empty. I mean, it's still there, but yeah. So now recently I've explored one more lipstick that I'll show you. That's why I stopped using this, but it's still there, but almost empty, kind of. Straight 3 to 4 months I used this. I mean, this shade to office. See, it looks subtle. It looks, you know, it just enhances your lips, and it doesn't, you know, look like you have done so much makeup. This is from Gush Beauty as well. Our next lipstick, oh my god, I think I've raved about this lipstick in my Nykaa haul. And look at this lipstick. This looks so luxurious. Even recently one of my colleagues asked that, you know, she said it looks so luxurious, it looks that expensive and it performs that expensive, but it's not that expensive. I'm in the shade High Tea 110. I also want to try other shades, but see, look at this shade, it's amazing, but I'm not wearing. In most of the videos I mostly use this only, you can see that. Look at this shade. I mean, this is best shade. I mean, I like this shade in any brand. I usually go for browns, nude pinks, like this color. I'm not a red lipstick person, so yeah, this one. This is from Posh Beauty. This retails for rupees less than 700, more than 600. I don't know the price, but I'll link that in my description box. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Like I'm like right now currently I'm only using these two lipsticks to office most of the time, or I go for MAC Mehr when I want to keep very subtle. Then I go for MAC Mehr, because MAC Mehr is my exact lip shade and which will cover my pigmentation if there's any, and it looks like my lips. So yeah, apart from that, most of the time, 90-95% of the times I am using these. It's so good. So this brings us to an end of our makeup. Then we'll move on to lip care. In this category I have 3 products. Let's start with this one, which is Dot & Key's Lip Polish Sugar Scrub. So this is in the flavor mint, I guess, because it exactly smells like mint Oreo from Caventer's. That is my favorite drink from Caventer's. So it exactly smells like that, and whenever I scrub my lips, I always feel like eating it. Oh my god, I've almost emptied it. I mean, this is not that harsh on your lips, and it smells amazing when it's on your lips. I at least feel like eating it, and it leaves your lips moisturized. This is our first product, and let's move on to our second product, which is this. And this is iPhone's lip screen, All I Need lip screen, which contains vitamin C, E 1%, kojic acid 2%, and avocado oil. And this, I mean, I could taste this. This is sweet, okay. And look at the, you know, applicator. It's good. This is lip screen, and when you are exposed to sun, at least my lips are sensitive to dust and sun rays, so it sometimes gives me pigmentation. So when I wear this doesn't give anything, and which protects your lips, which leaves your lips supple. And then our third and last lip product is this one. I found it by accident. This comes after pigmentation or also before you can use this. But when you have pigmentation already and if you start using this, I think I have seen the visible, I don't have hyperpigmentation on my lips, but I do have sometimes pigmentations. So when I started using this, it's been like 1 month or two. I think it's been 1 month or two. I don't remember how long it's been, but it helped me clear my pigmentation, and which leaves my lips so pink, I mean baby pink, and this helped me clear my pigmentation. This is, I've tested. But one thing I felt is whenever if my lips are I don't know whether they should do that or no, but when my lips are a bit dry and when I apply this, sometimes I feel burning sensation, not that much, like just a bit, 1 or 2% of burning sensation. But yeah, this didn't cause me allergies. I mean, my lips are a bit sensitive, so this didn't cause me any allergies, but it actually cleared my pigmentation. So this one. So we are done with makeup, lip care, and let's move on to body care. In this category, I mostly have body lotions. So let's start with so this is Goya Enchanting Carnations moisturizing body lotion with UV protection and vitamin B3. I don't know what all it performs, but it smells amazing. I bought it from my last trip from Sri Lanka, and it smells amazing, which retailed for rupees like less than that. Anyways, it's not available. I don't go into that detail about this body lotion. I want you all to smell this. You might have seen me wearing this on my New Year's Get Ready With Me video. Since then I started using, there is a bit left. I think I'm left with like small amount of this body lotion. I don't want to use it and finish it, so I've kept it like this, and this smells amazing. I can smell flowers around me. It feels like poetic when I apply this. So this is good body lotion, and yeah, this is my favorite. And one more, you might have already seen me using Victoria's Secret's Velvet Petals. That is my all-time favorite body lotion fragrances from Victoria's Secrets. I desperately wanted to try Pure Seduction, but I don't know why I didn't try that. But recently, I think it's been like 4, 5, 6 months, I thought of trying this one, Pure Seduction. This is ultimate if you love fruity fragrances. This is my favorite body lotion, and if you ask me which one do I like more, Velvet Petals or Pure Seduction, I'd say both. I like both kind of fragrances equally. So yes, and the thing is, if you are having a long day, this don't stay that long. But if you are home, like right after shower, if you apply this and it still lingers on your body till the night. I mean, I take shower twice a day, so till then it will be there. I don't know how long it can be, but yeah, this will lingers on your skin, but it's not like out loud. It's not out loud. You can smell, the person who is near to you can smell this, but it's not like something loud which anybody can smell. So but this is a subtle good fruity moisturizer, I mean body lotion. I love it. Our next product is this one. This is from Body Cupid Wild Strawberry Body Butter. Okay, so I have this, I like strawberry fragrance on my body. I tried Bath and Body Works strawberry fragrance body lotion. That is highly moisturizing body lotion, but the thing is, the fragrance of strawberry is not that strong. I have this now. This is my favorite because this is body butter, first thing, and the quantity is more, and it exactly smells like strawberry puree. And you can imagine how good it smells. If you are like a fruity strawberry fragrance kind of person, then this is the right product to use. I mean, this is so good. This is ultimate star of the brand. Okay, so then I have this, which is a Wishcare's underarm roll-on serum. I was seeing influencers raving about this product, but I was using something else and I didn't want to, it didn't caught my eye. But now recently when I started using hair care of this brand, I came across these products. This helps in lightening your underarms and odor control. The fragrance of this serum is loud and it's good. You don't have to wear perfume also, and it's long lasting. If it is not that highly pigmented, then you can see the results in 3 to 4 uses only. So this is good. I don't know whether it is 100% underarm lightening serum, like 100% to match your skin, but exactly, at least it reduces the pigmentation is what I can say. So this is our next favorite product. Yeah, that's it about our body care. Then let's move on to hair care. In this hair care category, I don't have much products. I only have 2 things. This one, Wishcare's, as I told, the hair care of that brand, which is Wishcare's hair growth serum concentrated. So this is the product. This was recommended by my friend, and I started using this recently. I could see the baby hair growth after like 4 to 5 uses. So I think it's promising and I love this product. Hair fall has been reduced comparatively, and yeah, I think this is a promising product. So this one, it's not hair care, but it is hair accessories, which is, see, you can see this. This I bought it offline in some local store. Look at this. It's inexpensive. It's not that expensive. I think I paid around paid around 250 or something. So we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we get 8 clips, and look at this. It's of good quality, and this is amazing. I can't leave the link for this, but I'll try to find something similar to this. If I find something, I'll leave the link, but this I bought it offline. So yeah, and after this, let's move on to our fragrance section. Without fragrance, I mean, I buy body lotions for fragrance, and how can we not have fragrance section? Let's start with Victoria's Secret's Passion, a Bombshell Passion. This is the fragrance I'm using from so long. I'm telling you, I'm using from so long, but still I could only finish this much. Like, I am using this from more than 4 or 5 months. See, this one bottle will come a long way, and I love this fragrance. Again, which is, I can't explain the fragrance that well, but which is kind of fruity floral kind of fragrance. This is, I love this. So this is our first product, and then we have our second product is Victoria's Secret's Pure Seduction. The story behind this is, while I was buying Victoria's Secret's Pure Seduction body lotion, I thought I'll buy the set that makes that fragrance stay longer. But in Victoria's Secret's, mists and body lotions doesn't stay that long, but this fragrance will stay. This perfume will stay for long, but this mist no. So then I thought I'll buy both of that together so that I can make a combo and make it long lasting. So that's when I bought it, and this will be my favorite fragrance from now on, like from the day I started using this. Of course, in Victoria's Secret, if you are asking me which one I love this fragrance more than anything. But this is a good fragrance, which if you are a fruity fragrance person, okay, I'm using it every single day, and even if I feel I need a touch up, I even use it twice or thrice a day, okay. But still, it's this full. I mean, I feel it's worth for the money, because it won't get empty that quick. You can use it for a very long time, but the only drawback is it is not long lasting, especially if you are having a long day. But I love this fragrance, so this is my favorite fragrance. We have this one. So I was using this full size bottle, but keep it in my office bag. I actually got this mini bottle. The variant of this fragrance is Bloom by Rene, and I've heard that which is exact dupe for Carolina Herrera's Good Girl perfume, but that is long lasting. I mean, it's long lasting more than 24 hours, but this fragrance is not that long lasting, but this smells amazing. You can imagine where in my office bag this perfume will always be there, and I fill that perfume into this small bottle and I keep it in my bag. So this is cute and I love. Now this is my last set, so yeah, that's why I'm showing the mini of this, and this is so cute and this smells amazing. It is like it is out loud. It's not that loud, but it smells amazing. Yeah, let's move on to our skincare category. I mostly have three major products here. One is toner and moisturizer from Laneige. See, this is, I have the small bottle right now. I use this every day, I mean every night in my, I've included this in my night skincare routine. So, and even AM PM it's fine, it works well, because especially if you are applying makeup, then this works well, because it's kind of give you moisturized and supple skin with bit sticky texture as it is moisturizing, so which holds your makeup well. I've mostly told about this product multiple times. Yes, this is the one, and also I'll keep this in my bag, in my office bag. So if any time, like if I'm going to wash my face, I don't do it by the way, but for the safer side I keep this, because once I wash my face I directly apply this. I don't need anything else apart from this product. And my next product is this one, which is from Dot & Key, which has hyaluronic acid and ceramides, which is good moisturizer, which is thick. I have combination skin, so I sometimes go for thick moisturizers only if it is not breaking me out. So this is my ultimate favorite. Like this is my third bottle actually, so I love this one. And I have Holy Grain, which is this product, which is Dot & Key Cica Spot Correction Gel. Recently, I don't know, is either it is because of mango season or it is because of the harsh summer, I was breaking out very much. Like I get acne, and I have acne prone skin, even that is been reduced recently from past 2 years, but this year I was seeing pimples. I mean, that is new to my skin. So I accidentally found this product and it really helped me. It is almost over. I tried pimple patches, but the only problem is I used to get a lot of pimples, and pimple patches cannot dry out your pimples in one day. So I'll have to use multiple things, and I felt it is not cost efficient because of my number of breakouts. So I tried this and it helped me really well, and it don't even, while drying out your pimple, yes, it gives dark spots, but even after that also you apply this for few more days, then the dark spots will also be reduced. So this is good product. So yes, that's it, and let's move on to our miscellaneous category, where I talk about book, snack if I like anything, or maybe some web series or any movies which I liked recently. So I'll start with this beautiful book. This is Diary. I love it because of this lock system. So which has a password, you can lock this. This is safe and secure, like nobody can open your book or read anything which is personal. So I ordered this and I like this diary. So look at this detailing. It's amazing, which says the secret of our success is that we never give up. So this is good. Look at the color and the designing. And yes, I always say in my monthly favorite videos, I'm not a reader, I don't read books, but still I try to read books. So I started reading this book, which is The Authenticity Project. and I like this because this book is mostly about understanding other people's other need, how they can make friends, and it's not like how they are showing, it's just that conversation between multiple people. So I love this book. It's like you are watching some web series or a movie like that. It's story builds, and we have main character called Monica Julian, so it's just like conversation book and it with meaning. I really want to read first two lines. It goes like this: how well do you know the people who lives near you? How well do they know you? Do you even know the names of your neighbors? Would you realize if they were in trouble or hadn't left their house for days? Okay, I'm not reading everything, but these questions, yes, right? We are just caught up with our life chaos. That made me read this book religiously. I'm not that consistent, but I'm reading this. I'm trying to read this book every day, like at least 5 page or 10 page. It depends upon my mood. So about snacks, I love desserts, but I don't want to eat sweets. Recently, I found that I'm obsessed with this particular cake. This is from Cadbury, which is Chocobix cake, which tastes amazing. So yeah, this one. This is my recent obsession about snacks. I don't eat anything. So lastly, we have web series or movie recommendation. So recently I watched Hiramandi and I understood many things about that period of time, like what was all happening in that perspective. So I think I liked it. Hiramandi is Hindi web series. I also watched one more, which is Queen of Tears, Korean web series. I loved it and it's just amazing. I watched it twice. So these are my two web series recommendations. In this monthly favorites, I also have a toy which is handmade, which this chick or duck, or I don't know, but some kind of bird. I love this. This is made by my cousin, handmade, and look how cute. This brings us to an end of the video. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.